Hi viewers. So after the Teams operation that you have just completed, like you have managed the team to add members and teachers into your team. You could talk to your team in a chat window. You can share files. You can share multiple documents as you want. You can create your class notes. You can mention or insert a lot of images and pictures in the class notes that the students can see at any time they want. Now let's look at how you can schedule meetings using the calendar feature. So for that, the organizer needs to go into the calendar option from the left hand side pane. So I click on calendar. So as you can see, there is a new meeting button on the right hand side top corner, or you can instantly meet now to start a private meeting. So this meet now is equal to the meet now button what we have seen in the Teams. So under Teams, we have seen this meet now button. So this meet now button and inside the calendar meet now button, both are one and the same. Okay, so let's now see how you can schedule a meeting for coming days so that you can share the schedule to the students ahead the schedule as a notification to them so that they prepare to attend the meeting from their side and you also prepare from your side to start the class. Okay, so now let's click on the new meeting button what you can see here. Okay, so it is now asking for to provide a title name for the meeting. Okay, for example, now we give a title name, mathematics trigonometry is your class, let's say, and you select your date, the Monday of the next week, and then you schedule your class at 9:30 a.m. As you can see, 9:30 a.m. So by default, a 30 minutes class is scheduled by the Teams as a default setting. So on the 8th of June, so you can take class up to 10 a.m. or you can take up to 11 a.m. also, so which is about 1.5 hour class. So you can select every weekday, Monday to Friday. It can be a daily recurring or it can be weekly recurring and so on. So accordingly, the team meeting schedule will be recurring. Okay, you must add a channel into your meeting. So what is channel? So channel is nothing but, so under your team, what you have for your login ID. So channel is usually a general default channel, what is already present. You can select any specific channel that you may have already created, like the private channels or public channels. So all the channels, whatever are created, will be shown here. So here I'm selecting a general channel, and you can add a location. And then once you are completed, then you click on send button. So which sends a notification to all the students or all the members of the team. Let's see how it goes. So you have just clicked on send button. So today we're okay. So immediately you see the notification as you can see on the right hand side. So mathematics trigonometry 1. So for the students, as you can see on my right hand side, I have logged in as a student on a mobile screen. So there is a notification that immediately has appeared in the posts menu for the student. So mathematics trigonometry 1. So for the students, so we are on today. So today is 7th Sunday. So if you go to tomorrow, so you can see the meeting what you have scheduled at 9:30 a.m. So the timing is on the left hand side pane. So you can easily locate the meetings what you have created between 9 and 10 a.m. So this is your meeting what you have just created. So you can start this meeting at any time that you want. So once you have created the meeting at the right time of the meeting time, so the faculty can go back to calendar, select the meeting what he has created, and click on join. And join now. So once you click on join now, so the faculty has started the meeting. So as you can see immediately for the students, so it has immediately shown a notification on the right hand side window. The meeting has started. The students can also immediately join. So join now. The meeting has just started. I'm muting the mic on both hands so that it won't give back echo. So once the meeting has started, it's the same features what we have seen in the Meet Now option. So you can choose your camera, you can choose your mic to mute or unmute. You can share your applications from your local desktop, or you can share a whiteboard on which you can start scribbling. So this is a whiteboard that I'm now just trying to share in my class. Use whiteboard in Teams instead. So we're about to join the whiteboard. So for the student also, it is loading the whiteboard. Okay, so it may take a while. So this is purely internet dependent because the application is loading from the cloud. So almost ready. So now you can start writing. As a teacher, you can start writing using your stylus or touch pen or something. So it may have a latency for displaying it on the student screen. There may be some delay based on the internet speed. So you can change your colors, or you can erase if you don't intend to show something to the students. Okay, so once you are done, so go back to your left-hand side of the screen and you can stop presenting. So which will return back the meeting screen to your camera view again. Okay, so you can talk to your students over a chat window. So hi, dear all students. The moment I type this, the student also will be able to see in his chat box and he can also reply. You can also reply immediately and the faculty will be able to immediately see the message. So the rest of all other features remain same, like the Meet Now button. So you can see the participants, all the participants. You can see yourself as organizer. You can see this other student who joined your meeting, and you can see the students who are not yet joined, and they are showing under the suggestions. You can ask them to join. You can select any student and you can ask them to join immediately, and they will see a notification on their screen to join. You can download the attendance reports. Once you click on here, your attendance report will get downloaded here, as you can see. So even the students also will be able to see the participants, whoever have joined in the meeting so far. So students can see the organizers, students can see himself, and the other participants, whoever have not yet joined. So the student cannot control the organizer's audio or video. He can just pin the organizer so that the organizer screen becomes his full screen. And similarly, the organizer also can pin the student's video so that the student's video becomes his full screen when he wants to talk to one-to-one. So students also can see the participants, and being an attendee, student will not be able to share anything. So the students will not have share controls here. Only the faculty as an organizer will have the share button. So the students will not have this button because the students have joined as an attendees. So once you are done the meeting, so you can go back to this more actions button. You can end meeting for all. So this will end meeting for everyone. So for all the students, the meeting will get stopped. Okay, so let's terminate the meeting now here. Okay, end meeting. So we will end the meeting for everyone. Yeah, end. So call ended. So even for the student also, the call is ended and he is returned back to the post screen again. So that's how you complete your meeting. Thank you.